Alright my friends, welcome back. ETPC here. We're checking out the multicolor LED gaming keyboard from CyberPowerPC. Just picked up a new PC. We'll be doing a review on that. So let's check out this keyboard, see all the goodies here. Let's see, open that up. And in there we have this nice packaging. Let's see if that's just actually in there or... Okay, so I think that's it for this box. Yes. So let's get on to the meat of the project here. Inside we have... Oh yeah, that looks pretty slick. The gaming keyboard. So right now none of the lights are on, obviously it's not plugged in. I'm gonna pull that off of there. There we go. Get off me. Okay. So there we have it, my friends. It's got oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it's got rewind, it's got audio keys here on the side, which is kind of cool. And then it has your standard keyboard with the sideboard here. Number lock keys, headphones, different ones up here, which is kind of cool. Kind of excited to see what it's going to look like when I plug it in. This is just the unboxing. We'll be doing that soon. Let's put it down here and initial type feel there. That's kind of comfortable. It's got that lip on the front actually, and that's real nice to put your palm right on there and be able to type, as you can see from the side there. Just rest on there and be able to do that. So that's actually kind of nice. I like that. I had an old Dell keyboard, and it had a nice rounded part that came out. It was the most comfortable keyboard I'd ever had. Plus, it was the one that kind of tilted inward. Yeah, I got used to that one. It was nice. Anyways, we're back at this one. So initially it's got a whole bunch of bells and whistles here. Let's see, check out the back part. So let's see, so that folds out. It only has, looks like, just that one height. I don't know why you would need more than that. It's got nice little rubber grips down here, so it's not going to slide around on your desk. So these are nice. Okay, and this one is a USB as well. So alright, that's what we get here. Pretty excited to be plugging this thing in. Be setting up the new gaming PC from CyberPower. And thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll be doing the demonstration and review soon, so stick around for that. Everybody have a great day.